Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about something pretty game-changing, how to take tools like Claude and NotebookLM and turn your AI helper into, well, a whole content factory that works for you around the clock. Okay, let's just jump right in with a question. You probably use AI for stuff like drafting emails or coming up with ideas, and yeah, it's super helpful for sure. But what if that's thinking, I don't know, a little small? What if your AI wasn't just a helper, but an entire team?
And right now, for most people, this is how it works. The AI is amazing, but you're kind of the bottleneck, right? You're the one doing all the legwork, finding sources, copying and pasting, hitting generate over and over again. Your own creativity gets stuck behind how fast you can manually feed this thing.
So what if we just flipped that whole thing on its head? What if instead of you working for the AI, you could build a system where the AI works for you, like on its own, 24/7? That's exactly what we're diving into. And this just lays it out so clearly. Look at the difference. The old way is just a grind. It's manual everything. But the new way, you just give it a topic, one single instruction, and the whole system just takes over, from start to finish.
And listen, we're not just talking about getting a wall of text back. We're talking about a whole suite of polished, ready-to-go content. Slide decks with your branding, slick video summaries, social media carousels, all of it. Just done. Maybe even while you're asleep.
Okay, I know this sounds a little like magic. It really does. But it's not. It's a real thing, a system you can build, and it's based on just a few key parts that work together to make it all happen.
So the core idea here is a big one. We're moving away from a passive chatbot to what's called an AI agent. Think of it like this. A chatbot waits for you to tell it what to do next. An agent, on the other hand, understands your main goal, makes its own plan, and then goes out and does the work all by itself.
It's really a simple three-part machine when you break it down. First, you've got the engine, which is something like Claude Code that automates things. Then, you give it a playbook. They call them skills, which are just simple instructions on how to do specific jobs, like here's how you use NotebookLM to do research. And finally, you can have specialists or sub-agents that the main agent can boss around to get specific tasks done.
Okay, so that's the theory. But what does this actually look like when you put it to work? Let's get into some real-world examples from people who are using this stuff today to completely change how they create. I love this quote because it gets right to the point. Most AIs, like an image generator, just see pixels. But Claude, acting as an agent, sees the purpose. It doesn't just see words, it understands you're trying to make something that people will actually care about.
So let's say you want a smart social media manager. You can just hand Claude a huge YouTube script and say, turn this into an Instagram carousel. Now, it's not just going to mindlessly copy and paste. No way. It gets that the goal is to get likes and shares. So it finds the killer hook for slide 1, builds up the story, and nails the call to action at the end. It thinks like a creator.
Or what about this, an automated video clipper? The hardest part of making a viral clip isn't the cutting and splicing. It's finding that one perfect 30-second gem in an hour-long video. That takes human judgment. Or it used to. An agent can read the whole transcript, pinpoint the moments that are most likely to go viral, and then tell some other tool to do the boring mechanical work of actually cutting it.
And this, right here, is the key. This is the whole shebang. You're not just automating the boring clicks, you're automating the judgment calls, the creative choices, the stuff that we always thought had to be done by a human. That's what makes this a complete game changer. Which brings us all the way back to the start. Imagine setting up your own 24/7 research assistant. You tell it, hey, keep me updated on cybersecurity trends. Then you just set it and forget it. Every morning while you were sleeping, it was out there scanning the web, finding the best stuff, loading it into NotebookLM, and now there's a fresh slide deck and a summary waiting for you with your morning coffee. Insane, right?
Okay, let's zoom out for a second. What does this all actually mean for you? Whether you're a creator, a researcher, or really just anyone who wants to be more effective, this is a totally new way of thinking about and working with technology.
If you take one thing away from this explainer, let it be this. We're moving past just prompting AI. That's the old way. The new game is building systems with AI. You're not just asking a question anymore. You're designing a machine. You become an architect, not just an operator.
And when you build these systems, you get to hand off all that repetitive, low-value work. The grind. And that frees you up for the stuff that actually matters. The high-value stuff that only you, a human, can do. The strategy, the creativity, the big-picture thinking. Look, the tech to build your own automated team is not some far-off future thing. It's here. It's ready. So really the only question left is, what's the first thing you're going to ask it to build?